You know, you can generate text like this in Microsoft Word in seconds. Let me show you 3 formulas that you can generate it inside Microsoft Word directly. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. So first of all, let's start with random. Just start rand. It start with equal and start in the beginning of the paragraph. Enter, boom, you got it, right? You got it. Let me just undo it. So you can generate it just like that and enter, boom, right? Okay, let's move another further. For example, you don't want it so much like that, just a few paragraphs. So you can just try run and then put the number of the paragraph. Okay, for example, I just want 2 paragraphs, and each paragraph I want only 3 sentences. Okay, number of paragraph, number of sentence for each paragraph. Boom. 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph. Okay, at the end I will summarize all the 3 formula with the option. Okay. Okay, another formula we use lorem equal lorem. Okay, just like that. Boom. Lorem you may see a lot in the website. Sometimes we call dummy text like that. Take it further, we can, for example, you just say lorem and then put number of paragraph. For example, just one paragraph, and 1 paragraph had 3 sentences. Only 1 paragraph, 3 sentences. Yes, boom, we got that, right? 1 sentence, another sentence right here, and another sentence right here, like that. Okay, lastly, another one we call it random type for old version. We use rand and .old. Just open like that. Then we got this one. Usually you see it in when you install the font, quick browse, fog, jump, something like that. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to smash subscribe button, like and share to your friend. Okay, see you next time.